Dito guys. Tapos, hinahanap ko saan kayong Buddha Joby niya. Ayan, sasakay pala kami ng bus doon guys. Ayan. Ayan, may bus doon guys. Doon, sakay ng bus papunta sa sa Buddha. Ito lang yung Lantaw Island sa may terminal ng ferry terminal. Tapos, sakay ka ng bus. Ayun may mga bus doon. Ayan. Hello guys! Prepare na naman tayong lalabas. Sobrang pagod. Parang 3 oras lang yung tulog ko ay lalabas na naman tayo ngayon. Sa daw kami pupunta? Macau? Agora na naman tayo guys. Okay. See you in the next vlog. Ay, sorry. See you later. Bye. Magmamakaw kami ngayon, guys. Kung hindi Macau, sa ewan ko. We'll see how it goes na lang. Kasi, hindi maganda yung panahon ngayon, guys, dito. Umuulan. Ayan. Okay, guys. See you later. Bye. Tayo, guys. Gora na tayo. Pupunta ako sa kabila ulit, guys. Susunduin ko sila. Kalat pa yung kwarto ko. Papalinis. Papalilinis na. May pupunta na ako sa kabila, guys. Hanapin natin. So they can clean our room. Punta tayo sa kabila, guys. Umuulan dito, guys.
Waste the money for the thing.
So that's quite a bit of fun getting involved in the press on.
Yes, yeah.
Long queue, guys. Ayun yung number. Nakapila kami, guys.
For only 1 person, 2 person.
Yeah. Kain kami ulit dito, guys.
Oh, that thing you still don't have it. You didn't take it.
Dito kami ulit kumain, guys.
You hungry? And then later when they come, you say, order.
Okay. Ayun yung pupunta namin. Lantaw. Papunta kami sa Lantaw Island, guys. Galit na siya. Lantaw Island. Yun, no? Papunta nga.
Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Mati, ito kaya mati.
Thanks. Punta kami. Doon kami nakaraan, guys. Yung unang araw namin doon. Pumunta ng Kowloon. Ngayon naman, ito. Guys, another ferry. Doon sa Buddha, Lantaw Island. Doon kami nang galing na nakaraan araw. May Buddha. Foggy siya guys, no?
公司於船上鋼層，均設有救生圈及救生衣等設備，供乘客於緊急時取用。請勿亂取、踐踏或破壞。而船艙內亦將設救生衣之穿着方法嘅
Foggy. Tingnan niyo yung mountain guys.
Life jacket and life safety 下服貨牌，緊襟呢而今朝嘅健康與寬度方法方面。
Mga ferry guys dito ang transportation. Kasi pumupunta sila sa ano, kabilang island. 'Di pa nakarating. guys. Ayan.
船只即将抵达大屿山梅窝，离开本船时，请带走随身物品、卡扎及换乘垃圾桶内，齐心支持环保。请将可回收的物品放入回收箱内。当进行环保时，请留意滑板移动，注意安全。谢谢合作，船每一
ito
稳，
yung
请
sinakyan
注
namin
意
yan.
座位，以免发生意外。
Ito siguro yung pupuntahan
船
namin.
未泊定，請勿離座，以免發生意外。
For your safety, please remain seated until the ferry is safely berthed.
床位已穩，請勿離開座位，以免發生意外。
Ayan, titigil na siya. Ayan, siguro yung pupuntahan namin, nag-stop na rin. Pier na yan. Ayan, may welcome siya nakalagay guys. First time ko kaya dito. Ayan, siguro yung pupuntahan namin guys. Ayan. Ayan, bababa na kami guys. Ayan, reach na. Okay, reach Lantaw Island na to? Okay, Lantaw Island. Daming bicycle guys. Ayan. Okay. Narating na kami guys. Punta kami McDonald's doon.
Oh, the different going to where you want Buddha or
Oh, they have
Yeah.
they have the color taxi also here. It's like a
the
blue.
blue. The color taxi change. Hong Kong red color.
Yeah.
Then Kowloon is green. Then now is blue.
Oh, I think I never take the taxi from Kowloon. I never take a video. I think so.
Sorry, Kowloon also red.
Yeah, I
New
think red.
New territory is green.
Yeah.
This one blue. The outlying island.
The China also blue. The Shenzhen.
Then if you going where? Later you see the board. Then
Yeah,
you
but
take
so many bicycles, you know.
Yeah, we went to see, you know. They
Oh,
we went to
bless.
see. Said, going to stay here. Like that.
Oh, this one.
This see the which one
Ah.
that one I want to take photo. I said I want to go back show Jeffrey.
Dito na daw siya manirahan, guys.
8,500.
Very cheap, you know. Very cheap. Very cheap. Outlying island.
Pero dito, maraming bicycle kasi pumapasok sila ng
See, I found it good. You know what? No the passport, no security, no cycling, no investment.
yeah. I think like, you know, in a Pulau Ubin. Like that. Pulau Ubin.
Better.
Pulau Ubin and that one, the other one, the St. John. St. John and what's the other one down there? No, not the Kong. Bastos nga ito eh. No. Pupunta lang kami dito kakain ng McDonald's, guys. Char. Nakarating na kami ng Lantaw Island. Ayan. Lantaw Island. Daming bisikleta. Gusto nyo kumuha ng bisikleta? Go! Bring back to Philippines. Singapore, this one, they don't want. Karangguni. Isasama na daw yung ano niya. Yung wheelchair niya. Yeah. Ayan, kasama ka. Okay. Say something. Say something.
Yeah, no, blue, this one.
It's raining, that's why. Kasama yung wheelchair. Island Central District Council. So, nasa pier kami, guys. Yung nakalagay. Lantaw Tours. Everywhere bicycle. No, different. Dito guys, tapos hinahanap ko saan kayong Buddha Joby niya. Ayan, sasakay pala kami ng bus doon guys. Ayan. Ayan, may bus doon guys. Doon, sakay ng bus papunta sa sa Buddha. Ito lang yung Lantaw Island sa may terminal ng ferry terminal. Tapos, sakay ka ng bus. Ayun may mga bus doon. Yeah. Papunta ng going to Buddha? Okay. Order kami McDonald's, guys. Cake or whatever. Nag-McDonald's. Ayan yun. Tapos may number yan guys.
Your number?
Number 2 big Buddha Joby niya. Yan yung terminal guys. Pagdating niyo dito, Sun Ferry Terminal, hanapin niyo yung signboard na yun. Going to Big Buddha. Tapos ito naman, ayan kasi yung mga signboard nila, 3. Ayan, yun na yung number 2 papuntang Big Buddha. Ayan, number 2, number 3. Yan yung mga pupuntahan nila guys. Papuntang Tongchong Cable Car Terminal. Tapos ano pa to? May na octopus ka. Thank you.
Take the road.
We have our own bus.
Take the road. It's a very clean mountainous road. So now I'm mountainous road.
Sigsag guys. Bakit kami nakarating guys? Yung view dito guys. Oh my goodness. Ayan, may nakarating na kami guys.
The cow is below here. The cow, the lone cow,
Ayan.
the lone river of a cow.
Dito rin siguro kami sasakay mamaya guys.
Silently,
Ah.
quietly. I don't know where he
si
came out
Buddha.
from. I think from the shopping center. Right?
Diyan kami galing.
Oh, the shopping center.
Yeah. Okay, nakarating na kami guys. Ayan na. Sana. Ay, hindi siya makikita. Ayan.
No, I also don't know. I just arrived.
Nakarating na kami guys. Ayun si Buddha. Huh? Ito yung saan. Oceans of Venus. Hello guys! After sa mahabang biyahe, nakarating din kami. Ay yung Buddha. Kaya lang umuulan. Yan yung basta. Umuulan guys. Yan, akit kami dyan mamaya guys. Dito ulit kayo sasakay guys. Pabalik ng yan, number. Kami na lang natitira guys. My goodness. Kami na lang natitira. Ayun na yung bus. Kanina 23 yun, naging 11, tapos 2. Kawawa naman yung tatlo. Pabalik na kami, guys.
Please take care and place your personal belongings properly securely.
Pabalik na kami, guys.
Please fold the baby stroller and consider to
Meanwhile.
Balik na kami hotel, guys. I said we go back hotel rin. Pagod, mga isang oras din yung biyahe ng ferry. Pabalik. Almost 1 hour, no?
Yeah, just
Yeah.
this one. It's not the fast ferry.
Oo. Ayan. Balik muna kami ng hotel. Tapos bababili ng pagkain. Oh yeah, just now can see at this one where we're at the ferry.
That place that I said want to introduce Amy, the last time sell those that new one got anything to buy or not? That they see like got rice with something in it. That was right now because
You ask me what you want.
I told her rice with just something rice. Something. She
Just
knows
rice
what I
and a
want.
plain, yeah.
Want you to walk under too far. Later you cannot find. Then the more you walk, the more painer the thing.
MRT.
Somewhere around there lah. I think should be able to get something. So simple rice. Because this simple rice walk under so far. Fly over.
Bili kami ng pagkain, guys. Dito kami bumili guys. Ha? Dito kami kakain ngayon, guys. King's Cafe. Nakita ko na ba ito kagahapon eh, King's Cafe.
Oh, 7 to 12.
Where is the 7? Oh, not bad. Yeah. Ganitong Hong Kong guys, ganyan. Oh. May shuttle bus sila. Dito kami nagbili ng take away. Babalik na kami guys. Nagbili lang kami ano, panglaman ng tiyan.
Let's say for example,
Ayang building na yan, Sogo. May Sogo din sila dito. Hindi Sogo Hotel, kundi Sogo Mall. Busy. Yung road lang, yan, busy road yan guys. Papuntang Jardine. Jardine, ano na yung baby? Jardine.
Jardine, bukan Jardine.
Yun. Dito yung sakay ng ting-ting-ting. Di ba dito tayo sumakay nun? Yung, ano, yung kuryente yung nagpapatakbo. Ayan yung Times Square. Ito yung parang Bugis guys.